I'm going to show you how to make your own 7-inch hexagon template without using a printer. These are the tools you will need: a piece of paper, a pen or pencil, a ruler, something with a right angle, scissors, and some fabric. First, place your ruler on the paper and draw a line that is 7 inches long. Mark both ends of the line and place a center mark at 3.5 inches. Use your right angle as a guide for the next line. Next, we will draw a 6-inch line intersecting the 7-inch line. Place your ruler so that the 3-inch mark intersects the line on your page. Draw your 6-inch line and mark both the ends. Use your right angle to make guides for your top and bottom lines. Place your ruler so that the 1 3/4 inch mark intersects the end of your 6-inch line. Draw a line that is 3.5 inches long. And draw another at the top of the 6-inch line. Use your ruler to connect the dots and form your hexagon. Next, you cut the hexagon out with the scissors. Place it on your fabric. Trace it with a marker. And then you cut your fabric. Now you have a 7-inch fabric hexagon for the safety net project. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.